Is your HVAC business protected? With contractors insurance provided by Merchants Insurance Group, you get the coverages you need to keep your business running smoothly. The following coverages are automatically included with your policy. Commercial general liability, also known as general liability or GL. This automatic coverage includes blanket waiver of subrogation, where Merchants agrees not to seek recovery from a third party with whom you have a written contract that requires us to do so. We also provide primary and non-contributory, which means that when required by written contract, coverage is provided to an additional insured on a primary basis, and Merchants won't seek contribution from the additional insured's own policy. Employment Practices Liability, or EPL, which protects you against claims of discrimination, sexual harassment, and wrongful termination. Inland marine insurance is also included automatically and provides contractors' equipment and installation coverages. This coverage includes tools such as headlamps, cutters, drills, and includes coverages such as rented equipment and employee tools and clothing with various limits. Merchants also offers these additional coverages. Additional insured options, such as blanket or scheduled, meaning we provide liability protection for the additional insured under the named insured's policy. We also provide contractors' errors and omissions coverage and cyber liability coverage. Commercial property insurance, building and business personal property coverage, business income and extra expense, equipment breakdown coverage, and communication equipment. Merchants is pleased to offer you these coverages to keep your HVAC business well protected. For further information, please contact your independent insurance agency representative today. Merchants Insurance Group, earning your business every day.